greeting of the day. Today we'll discuss about the lecture number 6, that is about treatment of discount and ledger accounts. So how we are doing the record of these discounts and then ledger account. You will get to know how to adjust the discount and you will get to know about the ledger account. So what is discount actually? Before going to treatment of discount, what is discount actually? Discount is nothing but the reduction of an amount from the original price is called what? Discount. Reduction, decrease of an amount is called discount. So when we are discussing about discount, so discount is nothing, it is only the decreasing in the amount of original or in the amount of money. So that is called discount. We have normally two kinds of discount. One is trade discount and second one is cash discount. Trade discount is that discount which is made for to decide the last price of goods or the service that we are selling it off, right? So that is what it is called, trade discount. Trade discount is nothing but it is the selling of. It is the selling of what we can say of goods and services. So for that purpose we want to promote sales, we want to increase sales. So enhance, to increase the sales, if you want to increase the selling of the goods, so for that purpose we need to create and we will give them discount. So that is called treatment of discount that we have. So in the treatment we say this trade discount. Trade discount is that discount which is given for the increasing, for the promotion of purpose, for the selling purpose. So actually it is the last price, we are not keeping any record of that, right? So the second kind of discount is called cash discount. Cash discount is nothing, it is the discount which is only for the purpose of debt we are using. So we are giving a discount to pay as soon as possible, right? So for that purpose we are giving the discount. That discount is called cash discount. So here in the cash discount, this is for the purpose that we are using for two purposes. One, to receive money in advance, to be protect from bad debt. So we have bad debt, so if we don't want to have that, because that's actually expenses for the organization, that is losses and expenses for the company. So for that purpose we are giving discount to pay that person in advance that money, right? Suppose there is giving like purchase merchandise from Aslam for 20,000 subject 2% trade discount. So it is giving you 2% discount. If you want to calculate that 2% discount, so here how we should calculate. So let me change the color. So I will have black color. 2 multiply, right, by 20,000, which is the price, and then divided by what, 100. So what is the discount which we are receiving, which we have, right? So here you will get to know about those discounts. So that kind of discount which we have is called trade discount, or which we making for the purpose of these records. So here we had a trade discount, right? So that become what, how much, like we can say here, if I want to show you the next slide. So 400 is decreased, so we are recording. So if you are multiplying 20,000, which I showed you before, by 2% divided by 100, so you will get how much? 19,600. So purchase to account payable, because this is for purchase from Aslam, so it means the name is there, so it is on credit way. So purchase to account payable Aslam, how much? So 1, purchasing expenses increase, so it have a debit balance according to the principle, and account payable is my liability, so that is also increasing. So when increases have a, if you say the second transaction which is given here in the example, which is purchase merchandise for cash, so we are purchasing merchandise for cash. So how much is the cost? 12,000. So we are purchasing for 12,000, so writing 12,000, right? So 12,000 multiply by, how much is discount? Discount is here 1%, 1 by 100, right? Pardon me for that big one. So 2 zeros with 2 0 cancel, so discount is 120, right? So my discount become 120. If we deduct from 12,120, it will leave with 11,880. So here purchase, right, to cash. So cash is here. So we are purchasing on cash. So purchase expenses increasing. So my expenses increase, have a debit balance. On other hand, cash is my asset decreasing. So when my asset decrease, it have a credit balance, right? The next one, sold merchandise to Ahmad for the cash subject 5%. So we are selling merchandise to Ahmad. So we are selling something which is giving 5% trade discount. So if we have 5% trade discount, so what we are going, name of Ahmad is there, and see cash term, cash is mentioned here. So it means this dealing is cash. So we are not dealing with credit. So how much? 5%. So 10,000, right, multiply by 5 divided by 100, it become how much? 500. One zero, second zero, it become 500. So 10,000 minus 500, 9,500. So say I said it's straight discount, so we are not recording that 500. So what is the cash? 9,500 to sell. So cash is asset increase, and I'm selling something, asset is increasing, so 500. So it has minus 10,000 minus 500, 9,500. On other hand, I am selling amount for 9,500. The next one, sold merchandise to selling 3,000. So we are selling merchandise to selling. So this is credit based dealing or cash? Credit based, because we are selling something. So what is the amount? 3,000. I am selling something, right? And on other hand, so what is the discount amount here? 2%. So I am writing here simple. Let me make it here. 2 divided by 100. How much it will become? 60. So 2 multiplied by 3,000, 60. So 6,000 divided by 100, 660. So 60 is left, right? So now going to 3,000 minus 60, 2,940, right? 2,940 left with us. So account receivable, so we are not receiving cash, so account receivable to sell. So account receivable is my asset increasing, so asset increase. So my asset increase, so when increase it have a debit balance, and sell is my revenue increase it have a credit balance. Purchase merchandise on account 4,000, less than 2% discount. So I am purchasing something for 4,000, so 2% discount is there. So we can say 4,000, right, multiply by 2%, right, divided by 100. 2 multiply by 440 is 80, right? So it become 80. So 4,000 minus 80, 3,920. So I am purchasing something on credit. So purchase to account payable, right? So purchase to account payable. So purchase to account payable. Purchase expenses increase, account payable is liability increasing. So my expenses will increase. So what it have a balance? It have a debit balance. 3,000 minus 80, 2,920, and 3,920 minus 4,000 if you are deducting. And on other hand, account payable is liability. So liability is 4,000 minus 80, 3,920. So this is how to apply the treatment of discount for the trade discount. How you are applying for the cash discount base, right? So we need to prepare cash discount. So see, an amount of 5,000 payable to Aslam was settled at 2% cash discount. So cash discount we need to keep the record. In trade discount we are not keeping, but in cash discount we need to keep the record. So how much is cash discount? So 5,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 100. So it become 100, right? It become 100. Now if I want to keep the record, so cash an amount payable, so we are paying account payable to cash to discount received. So when we are giving discount, so we are discount allowed. When we are receiving discount, we are discount received. Account payable, how much we are having liability? 5,000, so we need to pay them 5,000. But I paid cash, how much? 4,900. How much discount did I receive? 100. So account payable is your liability decrease, right? So my liability decrease. Cash is asset is also decrease. And discount received revenue, it is revenue increase. So that is what how to apply. Liability decrease, so it have a credit balance, a debit balance. My asset decrease have a credit balance. My liability revenue increase, it have a credit balance. So this is how to apply the second thing. Salim, from whom amount of 10,000 was receivable, settle his account after deducting 300. So I need to receive 10,000, but I received out of that 10,000 the amount we received, but 3,000 discount I have given to him. So how to keep the record? Cash, right? 1. So I am receiving, if I am leaving out of 10,000 300 someone, so how much I am receiving? 9,700. So this is my asset, right? On the other hand, discount allowed, that is what? Expenses for me. So expenses increasing, so if I am giving discount to someone, so that is expenses increase. So my when expenses increase, it have a debit balance, right? On other hand, account receivable, that is Salim. So I'm what we can say, asset is decreasing now. This is also asset. Account receivable is also asset, because someone is having liability with us, we don't have. So if someone is having with us liability, that is asset of us. So 10,000, so I need to receive, I received 10 total asset. My asset was decreased by 10,000. This is how to keep the record. The least, not the last one. An amount of 1910 was received from a customer and cash discount deducted 90 rupees. So it means I have received 1910 rupees. I also give him 90 rupees discount. So how to keep the record of that? So I am keeping the cash, right? Cash amount, discount allowed. Second thing, cash received, how much? 1910 rupees. I am giving discount is allowed to him, 90 rupees, right? On other hand, how much my asset decrease? Same transaction which was before, so received 2,000. So my asset become decreased by 2,000. The similar transaction which is there. Paid cash 7,900 and cash discount was 100 rupees. Paid cash 7,900. So we are paying an amount of cash, how much? 7,900 rupees. And we give them 100 rupees discount. So it means we need to pay him, we receive a discount 100 rupees. So it means that we need to pay him 8,000, right? So here account payable 8,000. So we need to pay 8,000, but we paid cash 7,900 and discount receive again 100 rupees. This is how to treat how to record the transaction of about the treatment of discount, and we have which is trade discount or cash discount, which we have it here. Now this is all I think about the journal, about the discussion overall which we had about journal, and then discussing about the other parts, which is types of special journal which we have. So we'll coming classes will discuss. Second topic is ledger. What is ledger actually, which we say is ledger? Ledger is the second book of accounting, where we are posting the transactions from the journal to the ledger. Simple. Ledger is the book which contains a condensed record of all the business transactions. In other words, the ledger book is which is very every account has a separate page, separate account for that, to record that transaction which is related to that topic. So it means that when we say that accounting is a process of identifying, recording, so we done with identifying and recording. Second thing we says we are classifying. So classifying based on that, based on there we need to keep the in place of ledger, so we need to make him account name. So we will keep the name of account, we will need to keep the name of that transactions, the transaction which is belong to that account category based on their characteristics. So we are classifying. So in the format that have the account name here, left side we have debit, right, or we can say and then we have credit side. So here it is called normally T account, but actually here all of these side having these portions, and all of this left side which is right side having credit, and these three portions along with it, right? So when we are making ledger account, so what is the objective of this ledger account? To classify the business transaction with the view to determine real increase or decrease in the item particular during the particular period. So we need to check it out whether an item is increasing or decreasing in the ledger account. One thing. Second, to extract a trial balance for proving automatically accuracy of the accounting record. To make the accuracy of data by preparing a trial balance. So this is how we are based to prepare a ledger for the trial balance. And the third one, to provide a record of all the business transactions related to a particular item, that item as to examine it easily in case of needed. So we need to keep the business transaction record, which is belong to some factors which we have. So for that purpose we need to make it, we need to check it, we need to review that. So for that purpose we are preparing the ledger account. So this is what we discussed about freight-movement discount, cash discount, and ledger account. I hope you have learned something. Thank you for your watching of this video, and if you have any query, questions, you can ask me through YouTube channel or my WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the best.